This video describes the Eclectic Builds website, how to download resources, and an early look at some of the upcoming projects that are in development. The Eclectic Builds website is back up after a series of unfortunate events, most of which were my fault. But the site is up and running as eclectic-builds.com. The site is a project hub and provides facilities to download prints, drawings, 3D models, Fusion 360 CAD files, and various other resources and research papers related to my projects. If you're looking for downloads, the short version is this. Go to eclectic-builds.com and scroll down to the Downloads button in the Resources and Downloads section of the front page. Click on it and then select the type of resource you are looking for. Leave me a note and provide any feedback on the downloads. If you have a moment more, I will do a quick overview of what else you can find on the website. From the front page, there is a project section that describes not only the YouTube project videos, but also early access to projects that are in various stages of development. Click on any of the images or headings on the front page to get more information. The multi-part builds provides an easy way to get to all of the YouTube videos for a build and will provide pointers to additional project resources. Ingenious Mechanisms describes long-term builds, usually with multiple deliverables. The Antiquarian Peripherals are a set of computer peripherals that are designed with a Victorian or steampunk aesthetic, but built using modern techniques, including Cherry mechanical keys, Raspberry Pis, and modern components, usually prototyped using 3D printing. The Enigma build will produce a replica of the German World War II crypto machine, keeping as close to original parts as possible, and utilizes techniques like sand casting and 3D printing. The Steam Turbines project will produce small turbines, designed for generation of electric power, and may stray into the world of micro turbines. It will complement an upcoming series on Stirling engines. The workshop builds are an eclectic mix of workshop projects. Finally, in the downloads area, you will find research papers, including steam turbines, Stirling engines, and the Mistbuster. The resources area includes third-party documents used during the builds, but also my own spreadsheets for pricing and product notes. The drawing and print section supports the Eclectic Builds YouTube videos and other projects, and are available for download. The 3D printer models section includes STL and other printer files, and will be expanding considerably in the near future. There is also a contact page and form if you would like to drop a note about any of the topics. So, that's it. A short tour of the recently launched Eclectic Builds website. Stop by and check it out.